This just literally came out of nowhere. Crazy storm. Look at that. Sun. So crazy rain in the background. So all that rain in the distance, so it's pouring like crazy here. The pigeons are okay. I'm not gonna bug you. Wow. It was like, it wasn't sunny out, but it was, well, I guess it was kind of sunny, and then boom. I just was in there, all I could hear was thunder. It's crazy, all that rain there. Oops. And it's still kind of warm out. Hey, so the water's going on my legs and I'm wearing shorts. It looks all down there. It's so crazy. I just did like a video earlier and it was like sunny out. I just did an unboxing video. Oh, my beer cans are gonna blow away. I gotta take it back. Whoa, it's insane. I can't even see. Okay, that's enough weather for me. I'm going inside.